Okay, g'day YouTube, welcome to our episode of Dave's RC Garage. Today we're going to be looking at a new Nitro car, well definitely not a new Nitro car, but a new kit of a car that's been around for quite a while. If you're looking to get into Nitro, don't know if you're really going to be into it or if you just want to give it a try because you like the idea of it, you want something just to start off with, this might be something to look at because it's very inexpensive. They've been around for a lot of years now, so they can't be that bad. So let's have a look at what's in this box. Right, what we got here is a good old HSP, or as America knows it, Redcat Racing 4-drive buggy. Get that one out of the way. Alright, so this was ordered a couple of weeks ago. HSP warhead, which is the normal picture you get. They do have, I thought it might be a new version with a new body, which looks really sick if it had come with that one, but I think it's only going with the normal body. Let's have a look inside here. Nice and easy. Alright, we'll get our instructions and clips for the shocks. Some stickers. This comes differently packaged than what I've seen others. Looks like a new smaller box. We've got the same, oh actually no, that's slightly changed from the old version. Our 2.4 radio. Got the wing for our buggy with the clips in there. And lastly in the box is our buggy. Alright, and there it is. The shocks feel alright actually out of the box for this. So there we have the 1/10 HSP warhead. So I have wanted to get one of these for a lot of years. I've always looked at them and gone, nah, don't think so, but I thought for the heck of it, I haven't got a Nitro at the minute, sort of missing the smell and the sound of it. Not really fussed about racing at the minute, so something like this just to bash around and have a bit of fun with. We'll see how it goes. So it does have the 2-speed. Apart from that, it's just a standard old HSP car. Look if it's bore raced or not. Actually, it looks like it has got bushings. I thought these came bore raced. Oh, that's interesting. I'll have to explore that a little bit more. I can see bearings in there. There's a bit of a sticky at this car later and see actually what has got bearings and what hasn't. I thought it was going to be bore raced, but we'll see. Just quickly, put the wing on. As that's all today's video is unboxing, having a look at what comes in the box, how it comes. I always have liked the look of these cars because really they're just like a little 1/8. Everything's sort of the same layout, the same design, very similar at least, and that's what I always liked about them, just something nice and easy to bash around in a smaller area. So that's a look at this unboxing. Gonna be back with a startup video and first run, see how it goes. But apart from that, that's it for this video. So until next time, take it easy.